Again, if you were submitting this as a homework and there was no work to it, you would just wrote this one down over here. And it certainly is typed up too, so how'd you do that? And you'd have a tough time explaining yourself. Now, granted, you really should show your work, and that's the whole point of having an answer key for you. I do show the work, and we went through that. All right, so we got this answer over here. My goal over here is to see, I'm basically check myself using software, and let me look at, one thing at a time, and I want to look at this over here. That's all I want to look at. All right, I'm going to write that down for you. And what does this thing look like? Well, it looks like, let me just put this down. It looks like root 3 over 3. And then arctangent. And that looks like, let's see, it looks like root 3 over 3 again. And then 2x minus 1. Right. Let me just take a look at this. The way I like to write things down in my key is different than a certain way Sage likes to write it down. But I do see equivalence here. What am I seeing over here? I'm seeing this answer. Right here, I'm seeing it. What am I seeing? Root 3 over 3 is same thing as 1 over root 3. I'm seeing the arctangent, and I'm seeing 2x minus 1. And again, root 3 over 3 is going to be root 3 in the bottom. So they work out beautifully. So what I want to do is I want to look at this part now. Right? By the way, notice a constant over here. And let me write that down for you. So it's going to be minus, I see a 6 there, and then I see the log, which is natural log. I'm going to use the absolute value symbol. It's x squared minus x plus 1. Let me write that down. X squared minus x plus 1. And then I see plus 1/3, natural log, absolute value of x plus 1. Right, some constant of integration. Again, I'm looking at what they have over here, and it's the same thing, and it is. I do see that now. All right, I'm seeing everything. I'm seeing this. Let me make sure of that. I am, and this is really common denominator would be 2. That would make that 6, by the way. And I'm seeing 2. Yeah, I'm seeing it. Everything is fine. So really, their answer is just almost exactly like mine. A little subtle variation in the way they typeset it, but the bottom line is, your goal is to do things by hand to get these answers that we get over here, right? Now, you might say my answers look a little bit different than yours. That's fine. Just like Sage answers look different, I'd have to make sure they're the same and the work led to that. What's missing in the Sage output, though, is the work. It's important you put work down. Why do you put work down? So someone knows that you're capable of getting through that material on your own. Thank you.